Master bedroom, again, is a very, key space to the house. We want to have that feeling of this as comfortable as possible. Again, keeping in mind the style that we wanted to accomplish. So very simple, distressed wood materials for beds and nightstands. A very simple wallpaper on the back of the bed that brings a little bit of dimension and some texture to it. But all the little details or the palettes in this room are very subtle and very neutral and very simple, where easily you can have and add some elements that will just bring the pop of color, and then whenever you want to change it, then you can do that very easily and make it work with the space. We wanted to make sure that we had a bench somewhere so the dogs could climb into the bed and kind of play around. The dogs are a very important piece of the family, so they didn't want to leave anybody behind, and they have one that is kind of old, so he needed a little bit of help. So we came out with the idea so he can kind of climb into bed with no problem.